Spring cleaning. Liriope, also known as lily turf, gather all of the old growth and cut back to the ground, leaving about 1.5 inches intact. This should be done in early spring, before new growth emerges. Lily turf is another one of my favorite Zone 5 perennials. It's very low maintenance, reliable, and looks great all season long. I always keep a pruner and pot nearby for easier cleanup. This is what your Liriope will look like after cutting it back. New growth will emerge from the center in no time. The old, cut-off foliage at the base will become less noticeable as the new growth appears. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more spring cleaning tips.